In this class, we are going to discuss about question number 2, exercise 12.1, surface area and volume. Observe this question. A vessel is in the form of a hollow hemisphere mounted by hollow cylinder. Observe a vessel. A vessel is in the form of, we are having a vessel, and vessel is in the form of a hollow hemisphere mounted by a hollow cylinder. A vessel is in the form of what? A hollow hemisphere is mounted. Hollow hemisphere is mounted by a hollow cylinder. This is what? Cylinder. Observe carefully how we are getting a vessel. A vessel is in a form of a hollow hemisphere mounted by a hollow cylinder. This is cylinder. This is what? Cylinder. And a hollow hemisphere is mounted on a sphere. Are you getting? This is cylinder and hollow hemisphere is mounted on a sphere. Clear? The diameter of a hemisphere. This is the hemisphere. Its diameter. This is the center of a hemisphere, and this is called what? Diameter. And diameter of a hemisphere is 14 centimeter. I am writing there. This one and this one both are same. So its diameter is what? 14 centimeter. Clear? And half of diameter, this is the center O, so half of diameter will be what? Radius. This will be what? Radius. Half of a diameter will be what? Radius. And the total height of a vessel, total height from this to this, total height of a vessel is what? Total height of a vessel is 13 centimeter. Observe what things we are having. Given diameter of a hemisphere. Diameter we are having, so diameter equal to 14 centimeter. So radius will be what? Radius R will be what? Half of a diameter, 14 by 2 equal to 7 centimeter. This is the hemisphere. Its diameter is 14 centimeter. So what about the radius? Radius will be what? 7 centimeter. Radius will be what? 7 centimeter. Now this to this one. This one is what? This is the diameter, and center to this length will be what? Radius. And this is also what? Radius. So this one is what? Radius, and it is equal to 7 centimeter. So what about the height of a cylinder? Height of a cylinder, H equal to total height is what? 13 centimeter minus this one, 7 centimeter. So finally we are getting 13 minus 7 will be what? 6 centimeter will be the height of a cylinder. So we can write total height of a vessel is 13 centimeter. Total height we are having, but we want what? Inner surface area. So height of a cylinder we can write, we require inner surface area of a vessel. Inner surface area we want. Inner surface area means this area of this vessel we want. So height of a cylinder equal to total height 13 minus 7, and this will be what? 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter is a height of a cylinder. Now the inner inner surface area of a vessel. Now the inner surface area of a vessel equal to surface area of a surface area of a cylinder plus surface area of a hemisphere. Surface area of a hemisphere. Observe, the inner surface area of a vessel we want. So how we will find the inner surface area? Surface area of a cylinder, surface area, inner surface area of a cylinder, and this is what? Curved part. So curved surface area of a cylinder is what? 2 pi RH. What? 2 pi RH plus surface area of a hemisphere. Surface area of a sphere is the 4 pi r square. So surface area of a hemisphere will be what? Half of a surface area of a sphere, and this will be what? 2 pi r square. Clear? So these formulas we will use to find the inner surface area of a vessel. So we will put the values. 2 into 22 by 7 into r is what? Radius 7, h is height 6, plus 2 into 22 by 7 into r is 7 into 7. Solve. This 7 will be cancelled to this one, this 7 will be cancelled to this one. Multiply and add. 22 into 2, 44 into 6 plus 22 into 2, 44 into 7. 6 4 ja 26 4 ja 24, 2 is remaining, 6 4 ja 24, 24 plus 2, 26 plus 7, 7 4 ja 28, 2 is remaining, 7 4 ja 28 or 2, 30, add both, 8 plus 4, 12, 2 is 1 is remaining, 6 plus 1, 7, 3 plus 2, 5, 572 centimeter square will be the inner surface area of a vessel. Observe again what we are doing in this question. This is the required answer. Observe, a vessel is in the form of hollow hemisphere mounted by a hollow cylinder. We are having one vessel, and how we are forming vessel? In a vessel we are having cylinder and hemisphere is mounted on that cylinder. Then we are getting this vessel, and total height of this vessel is 13 centimeter. Clear? And diameter of this vessel, diameter of a hemisphere, this is the hemisphere, its diameter is what? 14 centimeter, and half of the diameter will be what? Radius, and radius r equal to this one. So we can say this to this distance is also a what? Radius. So total height is 13 centimeter. We subtract 7 from this one, then we are getting 6 centimeter will be what? Height of a cylinder. Now we want to find what? The inner surface area of a vessel. Inner surface area means this inner part area we want. Clear? So how we will find? We are having two solid. First one is the cylinder and another one is what? Hemisphere. So we know well surface area of a cylinder. Inner surface area of a cylinder, and this is what? Curved surface area of a cylinder, and its formula is what? 2 pi RH. And another one is hemisphere, and curved surface area of this inner part is same as a curved surface area. So curved surface area of a hemisphere is what? 2 pi r square. Now pi is the 22 by 7, r is the radius, and h is the height. all things we are having in the question, so we will put the values and solve. Then we are getting 572 centimeter square area, so unit will be centimeter square. This will be the required answer, or we can say inner surface area of a vessel. I hope you understand this question. That's all about this question. Thank you so much.